But you need chitty, right?
Is everybody on board? We have some life jackets. If you're not a good swimmer, that is highly recommended. And that's an understatement. So please, if you cannot swim, please put on some life jackets, because we are in a lot of water around us, and it's not very deep, but it's deep enough. And actually, every traditional sailing vessel from Holland are always flat bottom ships, because I gave you the life jackets if you're not that good at swimming, but for instance, if you fall overboard over here, that's not a problem because it's so deep. It's very shallow water. All these lakes you see here, they're not natural. They all existed in 1700, 1800, 1900. They digged it out because it was very swampy here, and then you have the peat, and you can dry the peat, and you can burn it in an oven. So all these lakes existed by man, but also they're very shallow. And if you have a shallow lake and you have a big sailing boat with a keel, you cannot sail because you run aground. That's why we have those sideboards on the side of the ship. And we have to lower the left one if the sail is to the left, and when we make a tack, the sail will go to the other side, and then we have to lower the right one. But we will do that when the sail is up. And as I told, there's not so much wind, so it will be very smooth. But we need some assistance for that also. Those are those black ropes over there. I think we're gonna sail by motor for a little while. Because we have some very narrow, very beautiful canals, but there are a lot of trees around it, so there's helemaal no wind. And then we come on a little lake, and then we're gonna raise the sail. So for now you can just enjoy the view, and then we're going to raise the sail over there, and then we go by wind back to the hotel, and then we're about 6 o'clock there again, and I think you're going to have a meal there, or barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue.
We have some nice cold refreshing drinks in the cool boxes over there next to the mast. There's no waiter on board, so you have to get that yourself. Any questions? Where are we going? What did he say? No crocodiles.
Only sharks. Only
No sharks, no snakes. Now, the Netherlands, the wildlife is this big in the Netherlands. We only have some big pike in the water.
You see, how can I sing? He's taking in the camera.
How can I behave?
What do you want? Vitrella. Which is no beer, only oil. Hello sir. Satish. Open.
This beer, wine, there's also
One.
Get some beer.
Yeah.
Normal beer, no flavor.
normal beer, 20%. 8% is really high, but this is 4 or 5.
Yesterday I think we had one with 5%.
Something this. Beer, who likes beer?
Yeah.
5% is normal. That's normal beer. And I know what they serve in India, Tiger.
No, we have Heineken.
Yeah.
We have Corona as well.
Corona.
Yeah.
Corona
Yeah.
is mostly in India.
I was in Singapore and they do Tiger.
Go in the small one.
But Tiger is also one.
And you can got a history of that in your movie.
You can do some.
For this kind of water, we have to go to Netherland.
Swimming very well.
Okay.
Actually, you have that quite big down to sit.
They bring his girlfriend here and gone. And then this is enough.
Could you all move over to the back of the ship?
No, you can sit.
Just don't sit under this thing because this can fall down.
No, it's the big wooden pole.
He's asking to move. We no move.
We'll sit there, that side.
Would you all
Get up.
Get up. Let's go here.
Now they will get up.
Just come over here. Then you're safe.
Let's go there.
Kijk, ik heb een vrijwilliger nodig die het zeil wil hijsen.
Serge.
Heel leuk.
Goeie bezig. Goeie bezig. Wacht, dat is ook goed voor jou. Dit is ook goed voor mij. Ja, deze is ja, Serge die staat er ook al. Wat ik moeten hebben. Ja, die kant.
Hij is goed in. Ja, begin maar.
Okay, we need another volunteer.
Ja.
Come on.
Alles op de hand.
Ja.
Dat is niks te lekker.
I'm not scared.
Kom maar. Ja.
Ja, hè?
mama no.
Okay, perfect. I need some volunteers, about 4 who are going to control the front sail of the jib.
Okay, let's go.
Okay?
I'm not the volunteer.
Sit back
Under
down.
control.
No, no.
This transaction code.
No, he'll control only SAP. Only Rudresh is the controller here.
Youth leader.
Youth leader is saying.
Youth leader.
You got your 10 bath.
Youth leader who is getting close to 50.
So he's multitasking on you.
Yeah.
You're going to stay?
Yes, so much to be.
Quick explanation of how this is going to work. Because it's not that hard. This is the jib front sail, and we're this is going to be stationed by that
Dat is
boat.
ook een reden dat het zo hard gaat.
2 people.
En van oudsher het waren schepen met nou, misschien.
Yo, green boei!
Hoe maakt het aan?
Naar links. Draai je meter.
Ik heb geen idee, Arm, ik zie niks.
Ja, de heel soort afvallen.
Afvallen?
Nou, kerst beter oploeven. Ja, let maar. Meer. Yo.
Nou,
Kijk, wat spier. Kraatje.
If he hits it, he gets a pretty
We're going to control this by using the sheets, just like the mainsail. We have the main sheets. These are the sheets for the jib. So we're going to. 2 people are going to sit here, or 3 people. So 1 sits here, 1 is in front, and then we have this one in the back. I'll show you. We're going to hold the rope. So this is the position. It doesn't. There's not much wind, so it's not that heavy. So normally we put the sheet around this. This is called a boulder. And we do that because if there's a lot of wind, you hold it like this, and there's a lot of pressure in the sail, and you go like this, and then it's like a slide down on the ship. So we have it like this. If it's really blowing a lot, you could put another, but it's not that much wind, so you can just sit like this. You can put your foot like here, and here you can put your back against. Just you need to look like you need to make it look like it's really hard. Like put on your sunglasses.
But originally it is not so hard.
It's not so hard. You
So
just
just
hold
you
the rope,
want
and if I say it needs to be looser, you loosen it up. And it's
As like movies.
Cool. So that's it. If we make a turn, that's called a tack. So if you hear me say we're going to make a tack, you can give the rope to the other side. Yeah? Okay. 3 people can sit here, and 3 people can sit there.
want to raise this.
Het is letterlijk oud ijs. Ja, dit is best wel goed voor een schip van.
What is this?
De meeste.
Show that it is very
Vrij smal.
Hoeveel komen ze naar boven?
Ja, oké, niet remhuizen? Ja,
Don't worry guys, I'm shooting it.
Yeah. Ensure that RTV channels
just hold it like
Should
that.
know that how difficult we did it.
Wow. Zo, zullen we hier even vertrekken? Ja. Oh, dit is hem. Oh, de microfoon. Wat vaker. Show.
No, Kanai is taking with that. Don't put it. Tomorrow we need chicken today. We can have chicken. You want some help, sir? Sir, you are a good cook. You are a good cook.
Barbecue.
Oh, good. That's vegetarian, huh? Not sure.